Hello, guys. Welcome to our show. I'm your host, Stephanie, and today we'll be playing a game called Pusuan or Pakawalan! Alright, let's start playing Pusuan or Pakawalan. And here comes our sexy aswang contestant. Oh, hello! Hello! Thank you for having me here. So, what's your name and your age? I'm Anika, 26. So, what do you do for a living? I'm a full-time aswang. Okay, so anong hanap mo sa isang buntis? Do you have physical preferences ba or something red flag? Personally, ayaw ko sa payat. I prefer chubby preggies dahil may paniniwala kami na kung healthy si mommy, yummy si baby. Okay. And luckily, healthy naman sila lahat. Pero don't get me wrong, ha? I love all pregnant mommies. Pero sa show na to, dapat isa lang yung piliin ko. Am I right? Yes. No hoarding tayo dito. Okay, so right now, wala pang nagpop-up sa ating lineup. So, the floor is yours. I'd like you to choose one belly to pop, yung parang hindi mo type. Ah. Yes! So, pakilala ka, ma'am. I'm Alexa, 28, and I'm a full-time mommy. Okay. So, bakit siya pinili mo i-pop? Familiar siya. I've met her before. Actually, minarkan ko siya dati. I mean, I tried to victimize her and I had no idea. Late ko na nalaman na albularyo pala lolo niya. Andun na lahat nagsimula ng traumas ko na dinala ko up until now. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Ayoko nang tinutugis or may naghahabol sa akin. Like, minsan na nga lang may magabol sa akin, albularyo pa. I feel you. It's one of my deal breaker. Yung pregi na may albularyo or worse, babaylan na kamag-anak. Kasi madami silang pangontra at magaling sila manugis ng aswang. So it's a red flag for me. No offend ha, but we could vibe as a friend naman. Do you have anything response to that, Alexa? Sa sinabi niya, totoo naman, my lolo is an albularyo. And good for her, alam niya limitations niya as a wakwak. Okay, thank you. So we still have 1, 2, 3 pregnant left. So this time, I want you to ask them a question to help you narrow down your options. Anong klaseng bahay tinitirahan nyo? Kahoy ba or semento? I mean, mayaman ba kayo or sucks lang? Okay, so start from you. Abby, 25. I'm a store owner like sari-sari store. Di kami mayaman like sucks lang. Nakakakain 3 times a day kahit papano and I live in a slum house. Okay, thank you. Next. Sophia, 17. Oy, fresh pa. I'm currently residing with my parents. Not trying to brag, but my family owns a villa and several luxury houses. Ano work mo? Wala. Bembang-bembang lang with husband. Ay, mayabang! So, kayo pa rin nang nakabuntis sa'yo? Opo, going strong. Sana all pinanagutan. So, you're like palamunin pala in your family. Like, pabigat. Parang ganon po. Proud pa yan siya. Be, akala ko talaga ikaw yung pinakamatanda sa inyong apat. Cheka. Okay, next. I'm Aida, 47, housewife. Umaasa lang ako sa husband ko. Wala akong source of income. Minsan, bingo or tong eats lang. And nakatira ako sa barong-barong. Okay. So, based on their answers, I'd like you to choose one belly to pop. Salamat po. So, bakit siyang napili mo, Ipap? One reason is masyado pa siyang bata para aswangin. Bakit? May age limit na ba ang mga dapat na binibiktima niyo? Yes. Sa bagong rules kasi namin, dapat nasa legal age na ang lahat ng mga victims. Okay. And then? And the second reason is, anak siya ng mayaman. Isa sila sa mga iniiwasan talaga namin. Kumbaga naka-auto block kasi walang butas yung mga bubong. And yung mga materials ng bahay nila, matitibay. So mahirap hanapan ng butas. Understandable. You know what I mean? And other reason is may mga CCTV and alarms pa every corner. Like, ang damot nyo naman. Masyado siyang risky for us. Sorry. English era halata. Okay. Gets ko yung point. How about you, Sofia? Do you have any response to that? Salamat po. Nabigyan pa ako ng chance makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. And wealth is health talaga. Buti na lang pinanganak ako mayaman. Okay, thank you. So, safe ka na. Congrats. Salamat po. So, bali may dalawa pa tayong natitira. So, you can again ask them a question. Sorry if I'll be direct and straight to the point. Ilang baby ang pinagbubuntis nyo? Go ahead. Ang pinagbubuntis ko ngayon is isa lang. And siguro last na to kasi I'm too old na. Tsaka wala na ako ipambubuhay sa magiging anak ko kung gagawa pa ako ng bago. Buti alam mo, be. How about you? I'm expecting triplets and planning more for future retirement plans. Okay. So, Anika, what's your final decision? Pwede na ba magpa? Go ahead. Congrats, be. Okay, so finally, may napili na ang ating contestant. Yes, congrats. Could you please enlighten us about your final decision? Sa narinig natin, triplets pinagbubuntis niya, so it's a paldo for me. And she's kinda beautiful, so I'm sure na pogi asawa neto. At least kahit papaano may motivation din ako para dumalaw sa kanila gabi-gabi, lalo na pag minsan tinatamad ako. Ang sa tingin ko, may pagkamalan dito. So, expected na papasundan pa nilang paggawa ng bata. How about naman kay Miss Aida? Just as she said, isa lang pinagbubuntis niya. So, if I have to choose between 1 and 3, 6, 7. I mean, if I were to choose, syempre doon ako sa triplets. Alright, so since we only have one balloon left, Ay, be, ba't ka nag-pop? Wala kang karapatan mag-pop dito. Direct, can she have her baby back?
Connected.
Alright, so Abby, can you please join us over here? Okay, so Anika, pwede mo na siyang asmangin.